All right, so this is a very quick image SEO tutorial for Shopify. I'd say the number one thing is you want to reduce the file size of your images. So use a tool called Compressor. You could, compressor.io. I'll put the link in the description. Use a tool called Compressor. Put your images in here and then compress them. So for example, the one I just did, you can see how much it compressed it. So you want to do this so the page loads faster and it's a better user experience. So just a smaller file size to your images will speed up your load speed on your page, and that again just provides a better user experience, which will help you rank better on Google and probably also get more sales. I think there's been tons of tests that shows like faster speed equals like more sales. So definitely compress the images, and then if you have a PNG file, switch it to JPEG unless it's like a transparent image. But if it's just a PNG image, switch it to JPEG and then reduce it again. Shopify does not really allow WebP, so that's fine. But in terms of the image file name, let me show you what I did for this one. And the topic that I used is about anchor text, like what is anchor text. So let's see. What I did was basically for the image, I tried to describe what the image is about as well as possible. So I was just like, what is anchor text? I think the image I used is like, what's the file name I used? You see it. What is anchor text? Illustration featuring selected text on a computer screen, neat blue color scheme. All right, so that about defines this. With the file name, again, I tried to get the target keyword in there, but not in a spammy way, in a way that accurately describes what the image is about. So I do that with this file name, and then I take it even a step further typically, and I'll go into even more detail in the actual image alt text. So to edit the image alt text, you're just going to left click on the featured image. This is in the blog. If you're on a product page, you just left click, and then you see what I said here. Illustration showing highlighted anchor text on a computer screen with a blue color scheme representing the typical color scheme of anchor links. So the idea behind the alt image text is so people that can't see the image for whatever reason, disabilities or whatever reason, like they're able to understand what the image is about. So you want to describe the image so accurately that if I were to just tell you it or tell somebody it, they would be able to draw something close to it. That's kind of like how I think about it. So that's what you use it for, but you also kind of want to sneak in some secondary keywords in there, maybe some primary keywords, but the key is to just accurately describe what the image is. That's it for this video. Shopify image alt text tutorial. Thank you for watching. Peace out.